Alrighty, so here's just quickly show you how we create products in Inksoft. So what you'll have access to a spreadsheet kind of like this one, and I'm gonna add in some rows really quick. So this right here is the SKU, this is the name of the product, and these are completed houses. So let's see. So how this works is we need to basically create these products for every organization. And it needs to be done in this order. So what we're gonna do is I recommend you have 3 tabs open. I recommend you have Inksoft open, and we're gonna go to products, add new product, and copy from existing SKU, and that will bring you to this page. You will have this spreadsheet open right here, and you're gonna have the Affinity Shopify store open, and you're gonna go to the all products section. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the first SKU right here, and we need to do this in order. So we're gonna start all at the top and go down to the bottom. We're gonna copy the SKU right here, go to copy from existing SKU, we're gonna paste it, and then click copy SKU. And we're gonna work on delta phi epsilon. So as you can see, there's a list of houses right here that we've already finished. And we need to do this for all the houses. So we're gonna start with delta phi epsilon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Affinity store, and I see that the first product we're creating is called Pink Letter. So I'm gonna come over here and type in Pink Letter. And I also recommend while you're doing this to go to tagged with and put in the house name, delta phi epsilon. That way you will see only delta phi epsilon products, and you're gonna look for the Pink Letter. And for this one, we're doing the Pink Letter t-shirt, which you'll kind of quickly get accustomed to what they look like for the products, and I'll put in a bit more information on here to make sure we can figure it out. But what we'll do is we'll open up the delta phi epsilon t-shirt, and we're gonna come down here, and this is probably the most important part, because what we did is we copied this product, but the SKU is just this old copied SKU because we're creating a new product here. So we need to change out this SKU for this SKU. So always pick the XL size when doing it. So we're going to copy this SKU, and we're going to, on this new product we just copied over, we're going to change the SKU. As you can see, the SKU was Alpha Chi Omega, because that was the SKU that was right here. But we're doing delta phi epsilon, and the SKU for the delta phi epsilon product is 3 delta phi epsilon. So we're going to come here, and we're going to paste it. And we'll do it again for the manufacturer SKU. And as you can see, to make sure you're doing the right SKU and the right product, you'll be able to see that like they look similar, right? Like there's a 3 here, 3 here. That's the artwork number. So if the SKUs look similar, just changing the house name, you know you're on the right track. Next thing we need to do is we need to change Alpha Chi Omega to whatever house we're working on. So this will be delta phi epsilon. And then we can delete that. And that's all we do here. And then finally, we just need to change the image. So we need to go and find the image for this product. And we can quickly do that by going to colors and images, clicking upload. And I have this on my computer, but if not, this is just in Dropbox. So I'm gonna go to Kite and Crest, sorority. This will be large license. This is number 3. Let's see. And we're gonna go to YY t-shirts, and we're gonna find the delta phi epsilon product. And there it is. And we'll click save. We gotta make sure we click save, or else it won't work. Oh, let's see. It's saying a product of this SKU already exists. I'm wondering if it's because I've already done delta phi epsilon and I didn't realize this, because you can't create we can't create more than one product with the same SKU. So let me check really quick if that's the issue. Delta phi epsilon. Oh, okay, here we go. So I'm actually going to delta phi epsilon. I do not know why that would be in here. But anyways, that product's already created. I do not know why, but it's already created, so that solves that problem. I'll just make sure everything looks right on it. And then we basically are going to repeat the same process for all these different products. So yeah, that one's already created, so cool. So what we're going to do now is we'll go back here. This is already created. Once we did this and we pretend we saved it and whatnot, we're going to just go back and click copy from existing SKU. We want to create another product. And now since we finished this one, we're going to go down to the next one. And remember, these have to be created in order. So now we're going to be doing the pink heart ones. We're going to copy this, and this is just the template SKU to copy from. So we're going to copy that template SKU. And while that's loading, we'll see this is the pink heart. So I'm going to come back here. We'll click the back button. I'm going to type in pink heart. And you can see this says tag with Delta Phi Epsilon and with the pink heart sweatshirt. Now we'll add in what garment type it is in this template sheet right here by the name of the product. It currently just says pink heart, but I'll go through and add in like what product type it is to make sure there's no confusion. So now we have this product copy, and again we'll do the same thing. We're going to delete this, type in Delta Phi Epsilon. We're going to delete all of that, and now we need to change the SKU. So we go down here to the Delta Phi Epsilon product in Shopify, go to the XL section, and we're going to copy that XL section into the SKU. And you can see this is artwork number 42, which is signified right here, but it can change based off of a few different things, but we're going to go and pick Phi Epsilon. Okay, cool. So now you can see now we have the updated picture, this, and SKU, all good. We're gonna click save. And I do not know why I keep saying these already exist, but I guess I'm gonna check on why that's happening. So, and then we're gonna click copy from existing SKU, and we're gonna do the same process again. So for the next one, we're gonna click copy from the Cooper tee, because we've done, or sorry, athletic gear, because we've done the first two, now we're on the third one. And again, very, very important, these are created in order. So we have to make sure 100% that these are all created in order, and as they are created in order, so yeah, very important that we create them in order and that the SKU is correct, because if the SKU is not correct, everything gets thrown off. So now we're doing the athletic gear. And a note to the sweatshirt. I'm gonna go down here, find the XL size, copy that. Change over this, Delta Phi Epsilon, athletic gear, and then we're going to come over here, and the artwork is 181 from the SKU right here. Upload, go find my 181 in Dropbox. And these are all going to be large license sorority. We're on the crew neck. And let's see, we said we're doing Delta Phi Epsilon. Upload that. Cool. Now it shows this is uploaded. Click save. And while this is saving, we can check the next one. Like, okay, cool. Now we're doing number 4, Cooper T. We can copy and paste that, so we have that ready for when we're ready to copy from existing SKU, but we can't click that until this is done saving, or else it won't save. So once it's done saving, we can copy this, duplicate the SKU again, go back to Shopify, and then this will be the Cooper T. So I can come up here and type in Cooper T to get this ready while that's still saving. We have Delta Phi Epsilon Cooper T, and then yeah, now that's saved. I'll click copy from existing SKU. I'm going to paste that in and go through the same process. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all of these and for the rest of the houses. And then we'll probably have you just let us know whenever you finish a house, and we'll go through and check out really quick and make sure everything looks good, and then put you on to the next house and so on and so forth. So yeah.